Hi guys, Tom Nordpole here. Welcome to Rondane National Park in Norway. 300 kilometers north from Oslo by train to Otta and by bus to parking place at the gate of Rondane Park. This is the closest you can get by the public transport or car. Next part of the road you can do on foot or on the bicycle that you can rent from Rondane Hytta. This is the peak of summertime in Norway. But the whole plateau is above 1000 meters of high above the sea level. Be ready for winds and changing weather conditions. If you spent already some time in Norway, then you probably know that there's nothing like bad weather, it's just a bad clothing. The Norwegian water Imsdal have its springs over here, and if you look closely at the bottom of the bottle, it presents the highest peak of this region, Rondslottet, 2178 meters above the sea level. Rondane Hytta is a shelter area with rooms, restaurant, toilets, and it's a starting point for trails in this sector of the park. You can set up your tent anywhere in this gorgeous landscape, or even book a night in Rondane Hytta. If you want to camp close to the shelter perimeter and use their facilities, you will have to apply a small fee. After setting up tent and having a meal, it's time for first exploration. In summertime there is almost no night, so as long as you have power, you can discover this area 24/7. Following the river you can find this hidden waterfall with all beautiful rock formations carved by nature. The park is massive and I have just scratched the surface of all the possibilities that are available over here. Flowers, moss, grass and bushes are growing close to the ground, and we didn't see a single tree in the area. Everything together creates an unrealistic environment. To take a look from above, I will climb the nearest hill. It's a short and not difficult hike, but the views are very rewarding. Just watch out for the moving rocks. After windy night and beautiful sunrise, it's time to head back. Rondane is a place that I definitely need to visit one more time. Better prepared and ready to spend there at least a week. So far it's one of the more interesting places on my comeback list. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Tommy Nordpole Hikes in Norway. Please like and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next one.